Welcome back to the InfoFlux. Today we have an exciting project in store for you. In previous tutorial, we have discussed how to control light from smartphone. The link is provided in the description. Today we are going to demonstrate how to control a light using voice commands from smartphone with a Bluetooth module. Light on. Light off. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at the hardware we are using. We have an Arduino Uno board, a Bluetooth module HC05, and a simple light bulb connected to a solid state relay module. The Bluetooth module will allow us to communicate wirelessly with the Arduino from our smartphone. Connect the VCC pin of the HC05 with 5V of the Arduino Uno. Connect the ground pin of the HC05 with ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the TX pin of the HC05 with D2 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the RX pin of the HC05 with D3 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the channel pin of the solid state relay with D13 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the DC plus pin of the solid state relay with 5V of the Arduino Uno. Connect the DC negative pin of the solid state relay with ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect AC bulb at output of the solid state relay. With the hardware setup, let's move on to the code. We will start by defining the pin used to control the relay module. Next, we will initialize the Bluetooth module and set it up to receive commands from a paired device. It will receive command from the smartphone. Light on command will turn on the light and light off command will turn off the light. Upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Arduino Bluetooth controller. After installing the Bluetooth controller, open the Arduino Bluetooth control. Open the Arduino Bluetooth control. A pair divide list will be appeared. Make sure the HC05 module is paired with the smartphone. Now in the paired device, click on the HC05. Then click on the voice control. Now to speak the command, click on the mic and speak the phrase light on.
Light on.
You can see the light is turned on. And when we speak light off,
Light off.
the light will be turned off. That's it for today's tutorial.
Light
If you
on.
found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and projects.
Light
If you
off.
have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in comment below. Thanks for watching.